Hi. Hello. Hi, Leona. Say hi, everybody. No, don't be from farty noises. Say hi, everybody. I'm Leona. I'm the prettiest little girl in the world. Ooh, what is that face? And what is that face? That is a daddy face. Oh, yeah, I know it. I know it. Oh, you're such a happy little girl. You are. You are so random and happy, and Mommy loves you. Oh, oh, oh. Yeah, say hi, Grandma. Say hi. Hi, Grandma. Say hi, Grandpa. Say hi, all you guys out there that's family. I love you. You do. You love them all, don't you? You love me and your daddy, your grandmas, your grandpas. I know it. I know it. I do. Yeah, I know. Tell everybody all about it. Come on. Yeah. I know. Tell them. Say, I love you guys. Yeah. Oh. Whoop, there's sleepy face. And it's only 5:35 in the morning, and you got sleepy face? You woke Mommy up. Oh, she's sucking on her finger. Oh. Oh. What you doing? Are you performing for the camera? Are you performing for the camera, huh? Yeah, you are. Yeah, you are. Tell them all about it. Tell them all about it. Go ahead. Go ahead. Tell them all about it. Tell them. Say it. Tell them what you need to tell them. What? Go ahead. You look serious. It must be important. Nothing to say? Are you at a loss of words? You just want to sit there and look cute? Huh? You're cute no matter what. Yeah, you are. You are adorable. You're so cute. Oh, there's my little angel. There's my little Leona angel. Yes, how can anybody deny that cute little face? Yes, that cute little face right there. Oh, look at those pretty little blue eyes and the blondish brown hair. Her cute little daddy nose. Oh. 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 Look at her. She's just sitting there being a good little girl. Well, tell everybody bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, everybody. It was nice to see you guys. I know it. Tell them you got to go bye-bye. I know it's sad, but you got to tell them. Yes, you do. Say bye-bye. Yeah. You're too cute. Goodbye all.